Hello everyone. In last class we learned the expression for Cp minus Cv, that is the molar specific heat at constant volume and molar specific heat at constant pressure. Okay, in this class we are going to learn the expression for Cp upon Cv. Okay, the expression Cp upon Cv can be obtained in terms of the bulk modulus of elasticity at constant temperature and bulk modulus of elasticity at constant entropy ES. The bulk modulus at constant temperature ET is given as the equation ET is equal to minus of V dou P by dou V at T. Equation number 1. ET is the bulk modulus at constant temperature. See, it is the bulk modulus at constant temperature and it is given as minus V dou P by dou V, that is the partial differentiation of pressure with respect to volume at constant temperature T, and bulk modulus at constant entropy ES is given as ES is equal to minus of V dou P by dou V at S, that is the partial differentiation of pressure with respect to volume at constant entropy S. Taking the ratio of these two, we get ES by ET is equal to dou P by dou V at S upon dou P by dou V at T. Here we get the taking the ratio of these two, ES to ET, we get this. Then put the values of ES by ET is equal to dou P by dou V at S into dou T by dou V at S divided by dou P by dou S at S into dou S by dou V at T. This is the equation number 3. But from the Maxwell's thermodynamic relations, we have the relation dou T by dou V at S is equal to minus of dou P by dou S at V, that is the partial differentiation of pressure with respect to entropy at constant volume V, and we get dou S by dou V at T is equal to dou P by dou T at V. Then dou T by dou P at S is equal to dou V by dou S at pressure P, that is the dou P by dou T at S is equal to dou S by dou V at P. Interchanging, we get same equation for dou S by dou P at T is equal to minus of dou V by dou T at P, that is dou P by dou S at T is equal to minus of dou T by dou V at P. Okay. Now equation 3 becomes, put the values of, see equation number 3, here put these values dou P by dou T at S. Okay, these values are putting, we get in the ratio ES by ET is equal to dou S by dou V at P into dou P by dou S at V upon dou T by dou V at P into dou P by dou T at V is equal to dou S by dou V upon dou T by dou V into P into dou P by dou S into divided by dou P by dou T at V. Okay, all is partial differentiation. Then we get dou S by dou T at P into dou T by dou S at V. Then dou S by dou T at P upon dou S by dou T at V, multiply and divide both side by T, only on RHS, we get this equation T into dou S by dou T at P upon T into dou S by dou T at V. But we know from the thermodynamics law T into ds is equal to dou Q. Put here the value dou q by dou t at P, we get the ratio ES by ET is equal to dou q by dou t at P upon dou q by dou t at V. But we already learned that dou q by dou t at P is Cp, that is the molecular specific heat at constant pressure, and dou q by dou t at V is the Cv, that is the molecular specific heat at constant volume V. Hence we get ES by ET is equal to Cp upon Cv. What is ES and ET? ES and ET are the bulk modulus at constant entropy and bulk modulus at constant temperature T. Okay, we get the expression Cp by Cv is equal to ES upon ET. This ratio of specific heat at constant pressure Cp and specific heat at constant volume Cv is equal to the ratio of adiabatic elasticity ES and the isothermal elasticity ET. Okay, understood? In this class, we learn the expression for Cp upon Cv, that is ES, that is equal to ES upon ET. Okay, thank you.